Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar yen, like I've been saying, I still think we have potentially two options. Option number one is that we're going to make a ABC correction to this last 5 waves up and then continue the uptrend. Option number two is this really is the end of a wave 5, and instead of making ABC, it's going to extend into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will likely go down and take out the low of wave 4. Notice that they're exactly the same until you get to about this point right there. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this impulsive down right here is an A. I still think that this move up is a B, which I still don't see that it's over. It could go up a lot more before it really does turn. I still think at some point it is going to go down for a C, and this is all an ABC of wave 4. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce. We do have a little bit of a lower high right here. Now, but we do have to keep in mind that this still could be an ABC correction to this last push up, and it still could push up again. So we still have to be a little bit cautious, at least until we see a break of structure to the downside with our sorts. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looked like the market was trying to push back up, and it totally looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, maybe even a wave 4. Maybe it's going to go back up for a wave 5, looking something like that. Definitely seems pretty possible. The higher time frames make you think that maybe it's already turned though, so we have to be a little bit cautious. If this thing does start to make lower lows, lower highs, we definitely should be getting on the short side. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up right here. Now, if this move down is corrective, and if we do get a fib bounce, which we are kind of getting a fib bounce already, and we make a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would take that as a long opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. But you got to be a little bit careful. You definitely want to see that big engulfing turn at a Fibonacci level to take you long, because like I said, it possibly could just keep on going down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.